Most people think blue is just a color. The sky is blue. The ocean is blue. Blue jeans are blue. Simple. Or is it? Because blue has a surprisingly rich history. And over time, it gained many meanings far beyond color. The story begins more than 1,000 years ago. The word blue is very old. It comes from earlier Germanic languages. More than 1,000 years ago, people were already using similar words for blue-colored things, but the boundaries were less precise. The same word could describe blue, blue-gray, or other dark shades. Over time, English developed a more precise color vocabulary, and blue became the standard word for the color we recognize today. At first, it was simply a color word, nothing more. Now notice this. Many color words do not stay only color words. Over time, people begin using them in new ways. And that is exactly what happened to blue. One of the oldest new meanings was connected to appearance. Someone who looked blue might look cold, or sick, or pale. Now notice this. People often connect physical appearance with emotions. And eventually, blue became connected with sadness. That is why today someone can feel blue. Nobody turns blue, but the emotion remained attached to the word. Over time, this meaning became extremely common. Today, millions of English speakers understand immediately what feeling blue means. But the story does not stop there. During the 19th century, blue developed another meaning. Something shocking, something improper, something obscene. That is why English has the expression blue joke or blue humor. Now notice this. Nobody knows exactly why blue gained this meaning, but it became firmly established in English, and many speakers still use it today. Then another meaning appeared. Blue collar, white collar. What happened here? In factories, many workers wore durable blue work clothes. Office workers often wore white shirts. Eventually, the colors became symbols. Blue-collar workers worked mainly with their hands. White-collar workers worked mainly in offices. Now notice this. The word blue was no longer describing color. It was describing a social category, and English speakers understood it instantly. But blue continued growing. A blue ribbon came to symbolize high achievement, winning first place, receiving special recognition. Again, the color became an idea, not just a color. Now notice this. This happens often in English. Words begin with a physical meaning, then develop emotional meanings, social meanings, cultural meanings, and symbolic meanings. Blue followed exactly this path. It began as a simple color, then became a symbol of sadness, a symbol of obscenity, a symbol of manual work, and a symbol of excellence. Today, when English speakers hear the word blue, they may think about a color, an emotion, a type of humor, a type of worker, or an award, all from the same word. That is the remarkable thing about language. Words rarely stay where they started. They grow, they branch, and they develop new meanings. Blue is not just a color anymore. It is a small history of English itself. One word, many meanings, many centuries.